Students, in this video, we will discuss second topic of maxima and minima, that is absolute maxima and minima. In this topic, you have to find the maximum or minimum value of a function in the total interval, that is closed interval a b. Let fx be a function, this is always given, and in closed interval is must, a b. A is lower point and b is higher. Let us suppose this is the graph of the given function. Now you can see this is maximum point because when function increasing and then decreasing, this is called turning point, and it is also a maximum point. And this is minimum point because height is lowest and at this point height is highest, that is maximum. So this is maximum point, this is minimum point, and both are turning points as you studied in increasing and decreasing. And these two are the points A and B. So you have to find maximum value, minimum value in entire interval. It means you have to check at this point, and the end points of interval, that is A and B. For which first you have to differentiate the function. Then for maxima or minima, derivative must be 0 because both are turning points, and you know turning points, derivative must be 0. Now you got 2 points x0 and x1 which lie in the closed interval ab. Now you have to check whether function is maximum at this point or at the end points. For that you have to calculate the value of the function at boundary a and b and 2 points x0 and x1. Calculate these 4 values. Which value is maximum? Say maximum point, and minimum is minimum point. Now let us explain with an example. We have example 6.5 exercise, question 5, second part. Fx is equal to sin x plus cos x. Interval is given 0 to pi. Now first you differentiate this, cos x minus sin x, and then for maxima or minima, derivative must be 0 to calculate the points. Now cos x minus sin x is equal to 0, tan x is equal to 1, x is equal to pi by 4. Only one point is there which lie in the interval 0 to pi. Now we have to calculate the value of the function at 0, pi and pi by 4, all 3 points, boundary of the interval and the point. So f0 is equal to sin 0 plus cos 0, you can say this is 1, and f pi by 4 is equal to sin pi by 4 plus cos pi by 4. 1 by root 2 means root 2. Now last point f pi, you get sin pi plus cos pi. Sin pi 0, cos pi minus 1, you got minus 1. Now you can see root 2 is maximum. So the answer is function is maximum at x is equal to pi by 4 with maximum value root 2, and function is minimum at x is equal to pi with a minimum value minus 1. Okay, thank you.